Hello everyone, my name is Avinash. Now I'm going to explain about software quality concept. Traditionally, a high quality product is outlined in terms of fitness of purpose. That is, a high quality product will specially what the users need it to try to. For code merchandise, the fitness of purpose is typically taken in terms of satisfaction of the wants arranged down within the SRS document. Though fitness of purpose could be satisfactory definition of quality for several merchandises like an automobile, a table fan, a grinding machine, etc. For code merchandise, fitness of purpose is not a completely but it has associate degree virtually unusable program. Despite the fact that it should be functionally correct, we have a tendency to cannot think about it to be high quality product. Another example is also that of a product that will everything that the users need however has associate degree virtually incomprehensible and not maintainable code. Therefore, the normal construct of quality as fitness of purpose for code merchandise is not totally satisfactory. The modern read of high quality associates with software many quality factors like the following. Usability. A software has smart usability if completely different classes of users, that is, each knowledgeable and voice users will simply invoke the functions of the merchandise. Reusability. A software has smart reusability if completely different modules of the merchandise will simply be reused to develop new merchandise. Correctness. A software is correct if completely different needs as laid out in the SRS document are properly enforced. Maintainability. A software is repairable if errors may be simply corrected as and once they show up, new functions may be simply added to the merchandise and therefore the functionalities of the merchandise may be simply changed, etc. Reliability and efficiency. Reliability. Software is more reliable if it has fewer failures. Since software engineers do not deliberately plan for their software to fail, reliability depends on the number and type of mistakes they make. Designers can improve reliability by ensuring the software is easy to implement and change, by testing it thoroughly, and also by ensuring that if failures occur, the system can handle them or can recover easily. Efficiency. The more efficient software is, the less it uses of CPU time, memory, disk space, network, bandwidth, and other resources. This is important to customers in order to reduce their costs of running the software. Although with today's powerful computers, CPU time, memory, and disk usage are less of a concern than in years gone by. Dimensions of software quality. David Garvin suggests that quality ought to be thought about by taking a third-dimensional red point that begins with an assessment of correspondence and terminates with a transcendental view. Though Garvin's 8 dimensions of quality were not developed specifically for the software system, they will be applied once software system quality is taken into account. 8 dimensions of product quality management will be used at a strategic level to investigate quality characteristics. The idea was outlined by David A. Garvin, formerly C. Roland Christensen, academician of business administration at Harvard Grad School. Quality function deployment. Quality function deployment is process or set of tools used to define the customer requirement for product and converts those requirements into engineering specifications and plans such that the customer requirements for the product are satisfied. QFD was developed in late 1960s by Japanese planning specialist named Yuji Akawa, quality function deployment at translating voice of customers into measurable and detailed design targets and then drives them from the assembly level down through sub-assembly level, component level and production process levels. Quality function deployment helps to achieve structured planning of product by enabling development team to clearly specify customer needs and expectations of product and then evaluate each of part of product systematically. Steps in quality function deployment. First, product planning. Translating what customer wants or needs into set of prioritized design requirements. Prioritized design requirements described looks design of product involves benchmarking, comparing products' performance with competitors' products, setting targets for improvements and for achieving competitive edge. Part planning, translating product requirement specifications into part of characteristics. For example, if requirement is that product should be portable, then characteristics could be lightweight, small size, compact, etc.